Let's check the Bat computer.
Good idea.
I'm locking the whole building down. No one leaves until we account for the infected.
She just walked in. No alarm, no warning. Something's wrong with the voice recognition.
Maybe. There's no trace of a hack. If they're still here, then the facial recognition software will find them. Got them. Albert King's in the Wild West set. Looks like he's gearing up for a comeback bout. They took Christina Bell to the haunted house set. Harley's left armed guards to protect her. Charisma's on the soundstage. I can't tell what he's got planned.
All right, we know where they are. Now all we need to do is get them back. Should be easy, right?
Do you think she'll recognize me in this blank death mask you call a face? I mean, it does do expressions, right?
Henry, lock down this door. Only let Robin or myself back through.
How's it going, Bad Brain? Nice place you got here. I think my Joker would have liked it. Kind of place he would have picked.
I ain't going anywhere near Belle. She's nuts.
She jumped on Hudson, scratched out one of his eyes, right in front of everyone.
What did Harley do?
Nothing. I tell you, anyone so much as looked.
Ain't gonna rip you apart.
Let's make this count!
I'm gonna bleed you.
Time! Yeah, you better run. No way you get past me.
Robin, you wait here while I get behind him. We'll take him down faster if we work together.
When do I join in?
You'll know when you see it.
Come on out, Bat.
Sure took your time back there.
I was testing your self-control.
Did I pass?
You need practice. Come on.
Come on, lady. We need to get you someplace safe.
Are you kidding me? I'm getting front row seats!
Anything happens to her, Harley will kill you.
Yeah, he's right. And if Batman sees how you've treated me, he's gonna knock out you, and you. Well, maybe not you. Definitely you. And you. Oops. Well, that evens things up a little. Anyway, when he's done with you chumps, me and Bats will have this place all to ourselves. So get out there and make him show you how much he wants me.
You heard the lady. Let's go.
Jeez, she didn't need to kill him.
And I thought things were gonna settle down without you.
Are you dumbasses done yet?
She's all locked up, safe and sound.
That girl is very important to me, so I'm not gonna take any chances. Remember who's in charge in here. When I give you an order, you do it!
Of course.
Up high. Now. I say when you strike.
Got it. You see that? She just shot Don. Like it don't even matter. Like it was funny.
Now, Robin.
On the haunted house set!
Batman strikes. I need to have his back. Time to find a high vantage point.
Explain all the painful things you're gonna
Time to find a vantage point to cover Batman when he strikes.
Think they're masochists.
I found them! Over here!
Just because Batsy's gonna beat you into a sort of
I need to get to a raised position so I can cover Batman when he strikes.
put up a fight. I want him all blood-stained when he rescues me. Your blood, I mean. It'll look great on the suit.
Whose side is she on?
Oh, he's got one already.
Eliminated in the very first episode of Batman Rescues Christina.
You won't be spinning a book deal out of that performance. That's funny. If I was running the show, the thugs would be so much better. Terrifying. 4 times as breakable. You know that, right? Tell me you do. Is that Robin? Is Robin here?
He's making us...
Still, that Canterbury little third-wheel brat. Robin. He doesn't love you. But you cut off your lips until you actually fit.
What are you standing around for? Get in there and help those idiots out!
You heard Harley. Find Batman and kill him. Not a problem. You hear that, Bat Freak? We're coming to get you.
He's kicking our ass.
Ain't got us yet.
I get the feeling that's just blocking.
We can take him, okay?
I'm pretty far from okay, man.
Yeah, forget it. This guy's out cold. Let's move on.
Where is he?
I don't see him.
First Asylum, then City, now here. Why does he always win?
God! He went this way! Keep looking.
That's all of them. Time to go get Miss Bell.
It's all mine!
I think she clawed half my face off. Be honest. How's it look?
Like you're too slow.
I'll take her back to the cells.
Henry, Robin's heading your way. Let him in when he gets there.
Of course. I take it this means you stopped one of those monsters.
Yes, but I'm not done yet.
This Robin seems like a real improvement on that last one, Bats. Remember Jason Todd? Oh, what a whiner! Always complaining. We're both better off without that loser.
You think Batman's gonna come this way?
Harley says it.
So what do we have here? Poor little Batman all
I can't give an order without choosing a target first.
Ignore this freak. Just you and me, baby. Boy.
Open the gate!
I don't get it. What's there to get? Just get the gate open. Okay, but this don't seem right.
Intelligent. Something creative. Something fun.
But if the gate's lowered, what do we do about Batman?
Harley's gonna... You're gonna be singing at the back of your head. Well, first, you have to find him. And second, well, let's be honest, old timer, you're a little past yourself.
Hey, what do you think you're talking about, boy? You better watch your mouth.
Whatever. The choice is yours, Bat. Come find us and see who wins. My money's on you.
Hello? Is someone there?
Jason, I thought you were dead.
Batman? Is that you?
Batman's not coming to save you, Jason.
He'll come.
It's been 6 months now, Jason. I think it's time to face facts.
Screw you.
That's the spirit. You're a real chip off the old bat block. Not that it'll do you any good.
Why won't you just kill me?
What? Oh, no. I'm not going to kill you. Not yet, anyway. You're my sidekick now. Imagine it. You and me, out on the streets, starting fights, picking on the weak. A regular dynamic duo. Just like Bats and that new kid of his.
No, he wouldn't.
You think? So, this isn't Batman, then? Weird. The pointy ears are usually a dead giveaway. I didn't want to show you that photo. Really, I didn't. But, well, it was the only way for you to get closure. Now, I know it hurts, but sometimes you gotta be cruel to be kind.
Are you okay?
I'm fine. Let's get the next one.
This is it! The fight of the century! You ready to get schooled, Bats? What do you want to start? How about getting your asses kicked 101? Nothing to say? Strong silence hype, huh? Well, let's see if I can change that. I'm gonna make you both beg for mercy and cry out in pain.
Like that, come on!
Come on, Bats, let's dance!
Say goodnight!
I'm gonna rip out both your hearts!
Don't mind if I do! We're gonna rip you apart, Robin! Can't let Harley win! Love this part!
Fun times! Best!
Let's finish this.
You teaming up now? I'll break both your skulls! Get back in the fight!
Oh, nice work. You really held your own just now. I'm impressed.
You can carry him.